Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to mirror your iPhone screen to Android phone. Follow these easy steps to easily learn how to mirror your iPhone screen to Android. First of all, on your Android phone, you have to install Air Screen app. So go to Play Store and search for Air Screen. And this is the actual app we are going to use, and this is a very lightweight app. Go ahead and install this Air Screen app on your Android phone. Once it's installed, now open the Air Screen app. And now make sure to connect your iPhone and your Android phone to the same Wi-Fi connection. Now on your iPhone, open Control Center and tap on this share screen icon, and here you will find this AS AirPlay. Just tap on this AirPlay to start mirroring your iPhone to your Android. And once it's connected, as you can see, I started to mirror my iPhone screen to my Android phone. So this is how we can do it. And if you want to stop mirroring, open Control Center, tap on this screen mirroring icon and just tap on stop mirroring. So this is how we can easily mirror our iPhone screen to Android. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.